You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of this governor, provincial governor in the ancient Persian Empire? For more names from history and the Bible, stay tuned. There are indeed two different pronunciations in English. Satrap, yes, that's correct and exists, and satrap is also correct and exists. I think satrap is perhaps a little more American US pronunciation, but in any case, satrap or satrap do work and are correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.